शादी करोगी बोल दे
और नहीं करेगा तो मैं कर लूंगा.
Welcome to Grassroots Cricket. Today we're counting down the cricketers who have made a splash on the big screen. From surprise cameos to full-blown acting careers, these cricket stars took a break from the pitch and stepped right into the limelight of the silver screen.
शायर अफरीदी देखा
अच्छा, लंबे
वो,
बाल.
हाँ जो ऐसे ऐसे आगे आगे गिरते हैं.
Let's dive into it. Harbhajan Singh. Kicking off our list is India's Turbinator Harbhajan Singh. This spinner didn't just conquer the cricket world, but also Bollywood.
ये लकड़ी का है या लोहे का है?
Harbhajan had a cameo in Mujhse Shaadi Karogi and later went on to appear in Victory as well. From the cricket field to the film set, Bhaji knows how to spin it. Sandeep Patel. A World Cup winning hero of 1983, Sandeep Patel ventured into Bollywood just 2 years later with Kabhi Ajnabi The. Cricket legend to Bollywood lead. Now that's what we call a bold move.
अब बोलो और क्या कहना है?
सेकेंड इनिंग में सेंचुरी बनानी है.
Next up is Australia's own Brett Lee.
Listen to it really like mate.
Known for his fiery pace on the field, Lee made his feature film debut in the romantic comedy Un-Indian back in 2015. But that wasn't his only appearance. He also had a brief role in Victory. Looks like Lee can bowl us over in more than one ways.
क्या कीमत लगाते हो?
Syed Kirmani. Another 1983 World Cup champion, Syed Kirmani joined his teammate Sandeep Patel in the movie Kabhi Ajnabi The. From wicket keeping on the field to catching scenes on set, Kirmani brought his A game to Bollywood. Irfan Pathan, India cricket's blue-eyed boy, the bowler who burst onto the scene with a swing and seam and later transitioned into an all-rounder, Irfan truly proved himself to be an all-rounder by taking part in India's dance reality show Jhalak Dikhla Ja. After that, he debuted in Bollywood with the movie Cobra in 2022, an all-rounder on and off the field, no doubt.
धंधा नहीं, business बोलो business.
Ajay Jadeja. After hanging up his cricket boots, Ajay Jadeja tried his hand at acting. His big Bollywood moment came in Khel, where he shared the screen with Bollywood giants like Sunil Shetty and Sunny Deol. Talk about a power-packed cast.
लिखती है हमारी आपस में बनती नहीं है.
Wasim Akram. From Pakistan, we have the iconic Wasim Akram. This cricket legend recently made waves in the movie Money Back Guarantee, showing that his star power goes far beyond the cricket pitch. What's more, he wasn't alone. His wife Shanira Akram also took on a role in the film, making this a family interlude on the big screen. And for those who remember, Wasim's talents stretch into the music world too, with an appearance in Fuzon's hit song Suna Suna. Clearly, Akram has mastered both the field and the stage. Sunil Gavaskar. Also part of India's World Cup 83 winning squad, Sunil Gavaskar showed he could shine beyond cricket with his Marathi film debut, Savli Premachi. The cricketing maestro brought his signature style to the big screen, winning hearts both on and off the field. Before we reveal our number one pick, make sure to subscribe and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on more fascinating content from Grassroots Cricket.
इंस्पेक्टर बनने के बाद मेरे जीवन का सबसे बड़ा मकसद मैडम एक्स की गिरफ्तारी है.
Mohsin Khan, from Pakistan to Bollywood stardom. This former Pakistani opener made quite the transition, stepping into Bollywood with Batwara.
मुझे क्या हक है या क्या नहीं, ये मैं अच्छी तरह से जानता हूँ.
But Mohsin Khan didn't stop there. He went on to star in a total of 13 Bollywood films. Known for his versatile acting, Mohsin worked alongside some of the biggest Bollywood stars of his era, building a reputation as more than just a cricketer with a cameo. His film credits include roles alongside A-list actors like Vinod Khanna, Madhuri Dixit and Dharmendra. Mohsin's talent for charming the audience made him a popular figure both in sports and in cinema, proving he could command the screen just as effortlessly as he did on the cricket field. And that's our list. Did your favorite cricketer make it to our list? Let us know in the comments below and don't forget to follow Grassroots Cricket for more awesome content.